Sini Bubagra kaisa message khaika borokno kaisa interview je Tiprasa ko chain khlai mano tui mane kisa pesar ma tonna hini posawo gete abo government India ni bisukti babo point khaijak te state government bisukti babo kaisa point khaijak ni bosaka pheba lukurok ngangai sunglai tongo hinjau je bufuru a je akko je chain khlai mani amani implement bufuru unai abo haike mane lukurok sunglai tongo hinjau gai tin Bubagra Saka je bo saitung no tongo je a akko je chain khlai mani abo implement bobo haike nahar nanani abo tui botabuk abo tui sam khlai tongo hinjau tamni ke bopula sakma sauje pesar ma toni lainai mane a pesar je tongmani abono chung control ma tonnai ni tin Bubagra Saka paiding ke a video footage no kisa chung nailai nalai
My position is pressure to rakhna padega. Just because we have signed an accord does not mean that we can go back to a living room and put our legs on top of a table and relax. This accord is for the benefit of our people, but there are many points where I have our party have a point of view. Government of India has a different point of view. State government has their own point of view. Now, just because the state government or the government of India has a different point of view from our Tiprasa point of view, and just because it's the government of India does not mean that I will dilute my people's sentiment. I have not been elected by the people of Haryana or by people of Uttar Pradesh or people of West Bengal. I have been elected by my Tiprasa people. So I have my responsibility in putting my point across. And if the government of India can convince me that they are right, I will listen to them. And if I can convince the government of India that this is what our genuine sentiment is, then they should listen to us. So that is where it's a tripartite talk. We have made a lot of progress, but there are some issues where I think if I dilute my position, it will harm my people's future. That's why I'm sticking to my point. And now the government of India will have to also realize I'm not asking 1 rupee for myself. I'm asking something for my people. So it is not about power, it is about delivery of promises.